Hey first graders, today is Thursday. It is day 13 of our NTI work. I want to start today by telling you guys how proud we are of all of you. You are doing such an awesome job of getting your work turned in and completed. People are being neat. We're using ST Math and reading counts. You guys are rock stars. Keep up the good work. Today is hat day, so I brought one of my favorite hats. I like to wear this hat in the summertime because it keeps the sun out of my eyes and it helps me to not get sunburned. I'm going to go over our work for today. Today in reading, you're going to be using the story that you used yesterday, the Hippity Hoppity story. Okay, this is a fiction story. It has made up characters, a made up setting, problem, and solution. You're going to be answering questions about the story. I wanted to remind you that we should be restating the question and our answers. Okay, we are using complete sentences. So for example, the first question says, read the line, "Oh, nothing, Bunny. I'm just not sure I can make it again." Why did the author put an ellipsis in that sentence? Remember, an ellipsis is 3 periods in a row, and it kind of asks the reader to pause or to hesitate while they're reading. So when I answer that question, I want to start it out like this. The author used an ellipsis because, and then you're going to tell me why the author chose to put that ellipsis there. Same with the second one. What is the problem in the story? I want to restate the question in my answer. The problem in the story is, and the last one, how did Bunny help Frog overcome his fear? I'm going to just say it all over again. Bunny helped Frog overcome his fear by, and then you do the answer. Okay, today for math, you have some Easter eggs and you are looking at the numbers inside the egg. The first one has a 6, a 2, a 9, and a 14. And it says write the numbers in order from least to greatest. So you're going to write a least to greatest. You're going to do that for eggs A and B. At the bottom, you're going to be writing the numbers in the opposite direction, from greatest to least. So make sure you pay attention to what the directions are telling you. For science, we are going to continue reading about deserts today. You have a paragraph about the Sahara Desert in Africa. Over here, when you are answering the questions, it talks about underlining text evidence in different colors. Don't worry about that because you don't have to print this out. Instead, think about what you would underline and use that text when you're answering questions. Don't forget to write in complete sentences. For example, the first one, where is the largest hot desert in the world? Okay, I would say the largest hot desert in the world is blank. Okay, for social studies, we are going to be watching a video on YouTube. It's a read aloud. It's a book called Firefighters by Norma Simon. FYI, that book is a reading counts book. So after you read or after you listen to it, make sure you take the reading counts test and get some points for that. Then you're going to look at your prompt for today. Remember, you don't have to print these prompts out and you don't really need to write anything down for this. Okay, in this prompt, you're going to be imagining that you are a firefighter. You're going to be getting your uniform on and getting onto the fire truck to go fight that fire. Okay, this is the time for you to imagine and pretend and then talk about it with someone. Finally, our special today is STEM. Okay, in STEM, you are going to be building a tower. You have to plan your tower, think about the materials that you're going to use and how you're going to build it, create your tower, test it, and then you're going to think about how it worked. You're going to reflect on it. You can send that page right to Miss Menning. She is connected to your dojo, so you can send it right to her. First graders, have an awesome day today. Keep sending us pictures and videos. We want to see you guys in your hats, and keep being awesome. See you later.